Hello everyone, my name is Rajveer and the World Youth Media is a news channel that spreads the joy of information, news and current affairs amongst youth in a positive way. A sensitive approach to animal care. Haris Ali, an animal rescuer and entrepreneur, has started Sarvoham Welfare Trust in Bengaluru to rescue and rehabilitate injured dogs from across the city. With his daily pocket money of 2 rupees, Harry would buy a small packet of biscuits and feed this dog family. That night's effort of reaching out to people led Harris getting added to a WhatsApp group where people would share information about injured or ill dogs that needed help. He took it upon himself to rescue these dogs as and when the request came. He would either admit them to a hospital or take them to the animal shelter, CUPA, that stands for Compassion Unlimited Plus Action, in Bengaluru city. We need more people like Harris around the world who can rescue these homeless animals and save their lives. Many dogs are played with in this country, and by played, I mean brutally hurt or in some or other way. Please stop this kind of abuse in and around your city. If a dog is really a man's best friend, then don't say it, show it. Hats off to Harris and others like him. Even after government orders, schools conduct exams. Some schools in Telangana are conducting exams by calling them projects and assignments as per the schedule that was given before. Do you really think this is a good way to cheat or trick the government? Even after the announcement of summer holidays, some of the schools announced that the schools will still be running. The Education Department said that the action will be taken against such schools conducting classes or exams who are not following government instructions. The exit polls. Special starting off with Tamil Nadu. As per the Times Now See Voter exit poll, the DMK and the Congress is expected to win 166 seats, whereas AIDMK and the BJP alliance is expected to win 64 seats. Now, according to the survey conducted by MyAxis, DMK is predicted to win between 175 to 195 seats and the AIDMK is going to win between 39 to 54 seats. Reviewing both, the DMK Congress alliance is set to return power in Tamil Nadu after a gap of 10 years, while on the other hand, AIADMK BJP alliance may exit the government in the southern state after losing the mandate in the April 6th assembly election. The Paschim Bengal. Trinamool Congress expected to get a clear majority by winning 180 assembly seats, while the BJP has been projected to bag 108 by See Voter. As per the survey conducted by MyAxis, is projected a neck-and-neck contest in the state of Bengal as BJP and TMC lock horns as 147 seats and TMC ending up 143. Very close indeed. Supermoon achieves what the government failed. The supermoon phenomena that occurred earlier this week has performed a small miracle in the Panjshir wetlands in Mumbai. Due to a strong tidal effect of the supermoon, the seawater of the Panjshir wetlands breached into the man-made bunds that were blocking the flow of water. This has led to the return of several migratory birds back into the wetlands. Nature's magic. Britain will host a summit in 2022 to be prepared for future pandemics. Keeping in highlight the devastating consequences of the coronavirus crisis, the British is using its presidency of the group of 7 rich nations to prepare for future pandemics. Britain has taken a positive learning from the present crisis to fight every bit of the circumstance that comes up in the future. Making forcibly, they are getting prepared for the future to develop their medical system in such a way that there is no collapse in the medical system. Dubai's mega project, the heart of Europe, is near completion. Dubai's ambitious project, the Heart of Europe, is to recreate the spirit of popular European destinations off the coast of Dubai. Despite the pandemic, the construction has been going on and is near completion. Amid a global travel turndown caused by COVID, it also represents a major leap of faith in Dubai's long-term plans. The travel capital of Dubai is now modernized and technologically upstream. Is there more momentum left for Dubai? Quinton de Kock's unbeaten 70 bring back Mumbai to winning ways. Defending champions Mumbai Indians notched up a comfortable 7-wicket win over Rajasthan Royals in the IPL game on Thursday. Opener Quinton de Kock smashed an unbeaten 50-ball 70 while Krunal Pandya made 39 of 26 balls as MI chased down a target of 172 in 18.3 overs to snap their 2-match losing streak. Prithvi Shaw shreds Kolkata Knight Riders at Delhi Capitals coast to victory. Prithvi Shaw smacked a brilliant 41-ball 82 as Delhi Capitals crushed Kolkata Knight Riders by 7 wickets in Ahmedabad. Shaw smacked 11 fours and 3 sixes during his attack that also included 6 fours in the first very over from Shivam Mahavi as Delhi Capitals crossed the finish line with 21 balls to spare. Captain Ian Morgan dismissed for nil, just 100 runs short of his century. With this win, Delhi rose to second spot in the points table. Self-driving cars now allowed on UK roads. The Department of Transport said automated lanes keeping systems would be the first type of legalized hands-free driving technology. This technology will be used to control the position and speed of cars in a single lane to 37 miles per hour. Pilots technology to turn nitrogen plant into oxygen generator. Piloting is a new technology used to convert PSA, that stands for pressure swing absorption, nitrogen into a PSA oxygen unit. In the wake of medical oxygen shortage to treat COVID-19 patients in the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay is piloting a new technology to convert a nitrogen unit into an oxygen generating unit. What an amazing boost for the current shortage by these students over here. More power to them. To get the latest news updates on youth and youngsters, like, share and subscribe, and to be notified whenever we upload a new video every day, click the bell icon.